F1E6 code on panel, unplugging doesn't help, door lock takes 20 minutes to unlock, never starts to wash.
What's the make and model of your washing machine? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Whirlpool Duet Steam #WFW95 Hex 2 about 7 years.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would like to see if I can, but not sure where part is located on it nor how much it is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I think that's it.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. Have you tried unplugging your appliance for 5 minutes to do a hard reset yet? If unplugging is not easy to do, turning off the breaker for 5 minutes does the same thing.
We did and it didn't work, but I guess we could try it again since we still have it pulled out. What do you think?
Let's go ahead and try that and keep me posted.
Okay. We have to kinda climb over IT, but I will get back to you THX.
Keep me posted. And are you sure the error is F1E6 and not F6E1?
I will check again when we plug it back up. I may have transposed those numbers. I'll get back with you. Sorry.
You're fine.
Okay, plugged it back up. Same thing. It is F6E1.
Okay, so this is a control board error. One moment please. So this is an error between the main control board and motor control board. This can get pretty expensive. F6E1 communication error between CCU and MCU. So here at the problem, these boards cannot be tested. It's hit or miss as to which one is at fault. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/whirlpool control elect WPW104422137 app 6021457.html https://www.appliancepartspros.com/whirlpool Maku assembly WPW103744126 app 6020609.html.
Okay, Travis, in your professional opinion, since I have door locking and wash time appearing, which one would you pick? Looks like the electronic control board is easy to get to and the other is not. My name is the way. I'm in East Tennessee. Thanks for your patience with me.
You are totally fine. I would honestly, with that all happening, suggest the motor control board. It's not hard to get to either. It's on the right side, when standing in front of, near the bottom. It's a plug-and-play part. Just unhook the old one and plug in the new one. I am sure there are plenty of YouTube videos to assist you with this as well. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Thanks so much, Travis. 5 stars is. Hello, Travis. I got the part I needed locally and it was $50 cheaper with a return of the old one. We put it in and presto, just like new. It was the motor control board. Thanks again for your assistance. Carol.
I am glad to hear that you found a much better deal locally and that your problem is now resolved. Thanks for keeping me informed. In the event the need ever arises again, feel free to reach out to me here again. Just request me by name.
THX.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.